The Plank Plus Beam Farmhouse Solid Wood Dining Table represents the pinnacle of sustainable craftsmanship, featuring 3 premium solid pine wood panels combined with matching solid wood legs to create an heirloom-quality dining surface designed to remain beautiful for generations of family gatherings and cherished memories. Measuring 72 inches in length, 36 inches in width, and 30 inches in height, this substantial dining table accommodates 6 people comfortably while providing impressive presence in residential dining rooms, kitchen nooks, and open-concept spaces without appearing cramped or undersized. The textured wire brush finish creates an authentic natural grain appearance celebrating wood's inherent character and beauty, while hand-applied, low VOC water-based finishes provide non-toxic protection that contributes to clean, healthy indoor environments. The commitment to sustainability shines through the sourcing process, with Plank Plus Beam carefully selecting premium wood planks, removing knots and weak points, and perfecting every surface to ensure maximum stability and impressive weight capacity that withstands decades of dining service. Elegant design details include clean, bold lines reflecting farmhouse aesthetic principles, sophisticated neutral finish options with flush color-matched hardware seamlessly integrated into the design, and overall proportions creating warm, inviting dining spaces perfect for hosting large gatherings. We share by links in description box. The company's rigorous quality assurance process enhances natural wood beauty through their proprietary finishing techniques, exceeding industry standards while maintaining environmental responsibility. Assembly proves refreshingly simple with comprehensive instructions, all necessary hardware and required tools included in compact packaging that arrives ready for straightforward setup without complicated procedures or specialized expertise. The included 1-year warranty demonstrates confidence in product longevity and craftsmanship quality, reflecting Plank Plus Beam's commitment to customer satisfaction and lasting value. Complimentary seating options including the classic dining bench, sold separately, enable coordinated aesthetic appeal and exceptional versatility, while free shipping on U.S. orders over $300 removes delivery barriers. With its timeless rustic design, superior wood quality, non-toxic finishes, sustainable sourcing practices, and exceptional durability, this dining table represents a significant investment in your